Kirk Rifles coming back to you with another 2022 Toyota Tundra. This one, the limited grade. Let's check it out. The limited is going to be smack dab in the middle of the trim offerings for the Tundra. We have SR, SR5, limited, platinum, 1794, and TRD Pro. Okay, so this is going to be one of the volume sellers for Toyota. Now this is a towing example. We got a beautiful Windstream behind it. Up to 12,000 pounds towing. Most of them will be a little bit under. That 12,000 pounds is going to be rear wheel drive, like SR, kind of base model, but most of them will be able to tow well over 11,000 pounds. And here we are with this limited grade twin turbo V6, 389 horsepower, plenty of torque, about 479 pound-feet of torque in this vehicle, and fuel economy that's going to leave the old V8 in the dust. Now, what's unique on this limited grade is a handlebar mustache. This is what I call the outline of the grille here. It is kind of like this silver color. On other models, like the SR5 I saw with the off-road package, you have paint matched around the outside. This one gives me a little bit of Power Ranger feel with this red color, a little Red Ranger we have going on. And we have metallic silver painted around the Toyota logo here. I actually like the filling this grille style more so than the more porous grills we see on the Platinum and even the SR5. I like the horizontal bars there. I think they look really good. And as on all the trims I've seen, they all have the LED fog lights there at the bottom. We still have Tundra stamped into the front here on kind of like a glossy black plastic. Looks really, really good. Now these lights, even though this is a middle of the line trim, these are the top of the line lights. Got the quad beam LEDs with the really beautiful daytime running lights, functional vents right there. This still has a parking sensors on the front. As we check out the wheel here, this 20-inch wheel, a few different 20-inch wheels options all in this Toyota Tundra lineup. But on this limited grade, we have the same metallic, sparkly paint, silver paint that goes around the wheel arch, which is unique that I've seen so far to this limited grade. And this looks familiar, right? The Tundra logo in the bright chrome finish on the driver's side door. That's something we've come to see and come to get used to on the Toyota Tundra models. Now we have a lot of chrome on the outside of the windows, but it doesn't go over the top. So it's just on the back, around the bottom. And then we also have this blacked out, which is optional. We don't know at this point in time which models are going to come standard with that. I'm going to say that the TRD Pro, the Platinum, come with that blacked out. It's just hard to say at this point in time. And as we go to the back here, you see limited right there behind the window. I love the wheel arches on the new Tundra. You're going to see that from a long distance away. That's how you're going to know it's a new Tundra, is really sharp aerodynamic wheel arches. And speaking of aerodynamics, this is something that's taken this vehicle to the next level. 20% more aerodynamic than the outgoing model. And one of my favorite features with these aerodynamics, there's all sorts of things going up front with active shutters and things like that. But this right here, so this window is going to roll down just like current Tundra's outgoing model Tundra. This window rolls down, but you can see this LED light at the top. That is going to act kind of as a spoiler, and it funnels the air perfectly over the bed. You're not going to have any buffeting. You're not going to have any swirling going around into the bed here. None of that dirt or dust is going to fly through the window and get into the cabin because it's so much more aerodynamic. I love that feature, and I'm not going to fold down the lift gate here, but this button will open the lift gate for you. You just have to be careful because it drops it pretty quick. You don't want to bump your head. 4x4 on the back, Tundra stamped into the bed. It looks really good, and then you can see how the trailer is hitched in with the power plug as well. Looking into the composite aluminum bed, this is going to be the shorter bed. This is a 5.5 foot bed. You can also get a 6.5 foot bed and also an 8.5 foot bed. But this is a Crew Max. This is the larger 4-door model. You cannot get the 8-foot model, or the 8-foot bed, I should say, on this larger 4-door. But it's time to get in. I haven't seen the inside of this limited, so let's check it out. Getting on the inside of this limited 2022 Tundra. 14-inch screen in here. Love this screen. Navigation super snappy. Very, very quick. Oh, wonderful. It's a work of art. Panoramic sunroof, excellent view of the stars in the sky. And we do have soft touch on the dash. We have this plastic material. It's not quite as ornate we see in the Platinum, the 1794, the TRD Pro. We have hard touch here at the top, which you kind of would expect this limited grade. Soft touch here, but the steering wheel is very similar to what we see in the TRD Pro. So excellent quality materials here. We do have a heated steering wheel. It's working really, really well. It's not, well, it's kind of heated down here. It's more so on the back. Not so much heated on the interior here, but on the back of the steering wheel, there's a good amount of heat and a lot of heat coming from the top. So there's my heated steering wheel overview. We do have heated and ventilated seats here. I love the climate control with all the individual switches. Feels very durable. This knob here for the volume, but we don't have a knob for the tuning, but yeah, I'll get over it eventually. Here's your ride height control. So you have ride height control in this Limited, traction control, 360 camera, one of your trailer controls. I don't know how all the trailer controls work quite just yet, but definitely stay tuned. Drive modes. We do have multiple drive modes. You can see it right there on the MID. This is a 4-inch MID in this Limited grade. I believe the 12-inch screen might be available on this grade, but most of them you're going to see with the traditional analog gauges with a speedometer, tachometer, and then you have your tiny 4-inch MID. This is what I'm used to seeing in a lot of Toyota products, and it doesn't bother me. I actually like the traditional gauges, but the 12-inch screen is really nice as well. And the fact that you have this huge 14-inch infotainment screen is amazing. The vents are actually amazing as they point straight at me. This one you could definitely direct towards the back seats, but I love how this one is definitely focused to the driver and this one's going to be focused towards the passenger. The shifter is a little bit plain here, not a whole lot of detail compared to what we saw in the TRD Pro model, but the detail in the seats is really, really good. We have this unique chevron pattern on the bottom of these synthetic. I'm guessing these are synthetic leather. I'll give you guys confirmation on that in the post-processing, but here on the armrest we have this slidey storage spot here, and then also another storage piece here. Interesting, on some of the other models there is just a a plastic piece or a wooden piece that covers this. So this Limited actually has additional storage tray right here, and then there's a button here and a button here to lift this up where you have additional charging, USB-C and USB-A, and then you have a huge storage compartment with coin slots. That's old school. I love that old school feature. Wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, wireless charging, right? So let's go ahead and get in the back seat of this Limited grade. Still a lot of comfort in that back seat as we get in. You're not going to see heated and ventilated seats back here, but you do have accommodations for charging for your passengers, large cup holders, tons of leg room, a really silly amount of leg room. I love pickup trucks for that reason. The door has a storage compartment here, more storage down there, lots of 2 speakers in this door. No sunshades in this model, oh crap bars right here, but the fit and finish of these seats, the comfort, the quality materials is really, really good. But we have LED lights here, additional speaker here on the roof, and that is going to finish it up for the Limited grade here from Frisco, Texas in the 2022 Toyota Tundra, twin turbo V6 under the hood. Lots of horsepower, lots of torque, better fuel economy. I'll check you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.